Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, like
Waalaikumsalam.
usual, we have some event. It is WTTS. So, we have one speaker. It is Rizki Ramadan Agliano. For Rizki Ramadan Agliano, time and place is yours.
So hello guys, my name is Rizki. So today we are gonna review my project, the last project that I make, Islamic radio. So here I create these apps from Kodular. So here you need to find the asset for the project, like the radio, the image here, the picture of Sheikh, and like the playing here. So after that, you need to make the background. So here I make the background that is uh, color grading, like the lighter purple and the darker. So here I create space in here, so it make to before that is the screen one. So here the align horizontal center 3 and then align vertical to top. And then the background image I choose from my asset. And then the title Islamic radio. So here the timing I choose this color and in this, and after that I create space and you can search in the palette, and then the horizontal arrangement that I create align horizontal to center and align vertical to center too, and the background color just like this, and the height is 50% and the width fill parents. And before that I forget to the space 7, that is the height is 10% and the width automatic. So here image one. So image one is there are three picture of the shake in here. So I create this asset from the Figma, like uh the glass effect here, and then the height is automatic and the width fill patterns. So next to the space six or the space in here lah. So I get in the 5% of the height and the width automatic, and then image to that this I create this. So like there is play there is playing, and the height is 10%, the width 60%, the picture that I create this asset is from Figma 2, and then I create space little space here, and then I create horizontal arrangement like in here. So the alignment horizontal is 3 or the center, and then align vertical to top, so it stick to the top of the screen. So after that, and the height is automatic, and then the width fill pattern. So the next to the inside of the horizontal arrangement, there is space. So it makes space from the what is called name, margins, from the margin from the border, the margin from the borders, and then the height is automatic and the width fill parent. So next to the image pause, here uh, image pause animated and clickable, so it can be clicked, and the height is automatic and the width 7%. So as you can see here, there is a picture here, so I create this element 2 from the Figma, so it creates my styles. And then I create space tree, so it makes distance from the button and the others, so it can easy to click. And then the height is automatic and the width 10%. And then image play, so it seems like image pause before here. There is the animate and clickable, it check, and the height is automatic and the width 7%. So the picture is polygon here, that's my element name, so because I create in the Figma. As you can see here, the image pause play and stop, that is not uh, line in the one line. because if you test here into the your apps or your phone in the Kodular companion, so in the Kodular companion I don't know how it can be different. So if you in the Kodular companion it's one line like this and this and this, that is a same alignment. And after that I create space for just make the distance from the play and the stop. So the height is automatic and the width 10%. Then image stop last animated clickable check height automatic and the width 7%. And then I create this element 2 from the Figma of course. And then I create space for the margins. And the height is automatic and the fill parent and the width fill parent. And then here I create I choose this I use this player one and notifier one, and you can search in the palette here just type player. So here there is a player and notifier like this, so it can be there is shown on here. So we move to the code. So the code is very simple. When image play, and if image play this, and then is click and set player one to source. This is my cloud here. So I from the YouTube, and then I create this the MP3, and then I upload into my cloud. So it if you click this, if you open this to the code URL, and then it's automatically starts open, and then call player one start and call the player show alert notice radio is playing. And for the when image pause, and before I was checking my from the companion that is cannot pause. So if I click this pause button pause button here, and then if I play again, that is reset from the zero the duration. And then I don't know how to fix it, and then we move to when image stop and click call player one to stop and call the fire show alert notice radio stopped. So maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if I had many mistake of my word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So thank you for Rizki for your presentation. And that's all for our WTTS. Sorry if we have many mistake of our word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi